Fleeing decades-long civil war, drought and famine, Somali refugees have been arriving in the Dadaab refugee camps for 30 years. Yet this apparent oasis of safety, hidden in the barren Kenyan desert, conceals other dangers. Human trafficking, primarily of women and girls, in these camps, forms the challenge faced in this pitch.
We propose a solution that identifies human trafficking whilst protecting each individual's privacy. Our solution involves small wearable devices which send security alerts should the wearer leave a certain area. This will be achieved through the installation of a private 5-cell LTE network that the individual devices connect to. The LTE network will support either LTE-M or NB-IoT technologies, which are classed as low-power wide area. These technologies have been optimized to provide high coverage, low power consumption, and more capacity, making this the ideal technology to harness. The 5-cell network is configured with a primary transceiver tower which creates the primary safe zone, encompassing all 3 refugee camps, and 4 secondary towers creating a secondary active zone which covers the perimeter.
While the device is in the primary safe zone, it will operate in hibernation mode, communicating with the receiver that it is within the safe zone but not its real-time location. This will save power and protect the wearer's privacy. If the device is no longer detected by the primary receiver, it will have moved into the secondary active zone, and the geo-tracking and heart rate monitoring functions will be activated, simultaneously triggering an alert which will be sent to a response team. Activating live geolocation data tracking only in the secondary active zone is an innovative technological idea, allowing for a quick and efficient response effort whilst mitigating the security and privacy issues associated with constant location monitoring. The device has also been designed to include a location help mode that can be manually activated from within the primary safe zone if required.
The 2 suggested LTE technologies, NB-IoT and LTE-M, are used in the modern world to allow devices to communicate with the Internet. These devices are classed as Internet of Things, IoTs. This solution implements the successful technology of IoTs that we use for things like home automation lighting control and gives it a whole new purpose.
The fundamental benefit of our design is that it directly helps the most vulnerable people. Refugees, especially women and girls, have the highest risk of being trafficked, and they form the target end user community for our solution. Our solution will have a large alleviation effect as it is designed and directly targeted for the large numbers of the most vulnerable within the most vulnerable of communities.
Our design will mitigate cases where trafficking incidents go unreported. It will increase the number of successful rescues of victims. Most importantly, it will decrease the total number of human trafficking cases. Furthermore, in the long term, people living in the Dadaab refugee camps will see an increased quality of life, boosted productivity, and improved mental health as a result of the increased protection and security our solution provides. Thank you.